Check out this shoebox Ford here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's 1949 Ford Club Coupe. Street rotted out a little bit, original California car. Underneath the hood, 350 cubic inches, a small block Chevy power, roller cam, Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, 700R4 to be exact. Take a look at the chrome up front. A lot of this car has been re-chromed, as you can see, and it shows well. Nicely equipped too. Power steering, power brakes, vintage AC. AC blows cold, heater blows hot. Color's kind of a dark cherry metallic. Reminds me of what would be on, I want to say like a 96 Impala SS, I guess. But yeah, real rich, dark looking cherry metallic. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this car from every angle. Interior, engine bay, trunk, undersides. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on steel wheels, Ford center caps and beauty rings, wide white wall radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels nice and straight. You may find a little touch-up spot or nick or imperfection in the paint here or there, but overall, paint has a nice shine to it. And like I said, deep, rich color on this car. I did leave the passenger side window down so we could take a peek at this interior. This is actually a 6-way power front bench seat, nicely upholstered. Stock looking dash with the exception of some aftermarket AC vents underneath, as well as that retro sound style radio. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. I do want to mention the glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. There is a full-size spare and a jack, some extra belts in the trunk that'll go along with the car, and as you can see, dual exhaust exiting the rear. Some cool custom pinstriping on it. Kind of a gold color on that dark cherry metallic. This is a nicely built car. Just so you know, it has a Ford 9-inch rear end, 2-speed wipers, tilt column, 25-gallon stainless tank on the rear of it. There is a master battery disconnect up in the passenger wheel well, up on the top portion of it. So just reaching above that wheel and you can turn off the battery. It does have new window rubber all the way around it. Checked out very well in our service department. Brakes were 80% in the front, 90% in the rear. Complete dual exhaust. One thing the tech did note, could use a right rear axle seal. And that's really all they noted. One of those cars, get in, turn the key, and go have some fun. If you like these shoe boxes, maybe just classic Fords in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Another thing you can sure do is share it with somebody that you know likes them also. And spread the word. If you see a car that you think somebody will like, go right ahead. And as you can see, reflection in that paint, cars behind me. And again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, you may find a real small imperfection. I mean, the car's been driven. Might be a little spot where it's had a little touch-up. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Go have a little fun and drive it. I'm going to go ahead and roll down this window. They work very well. Gets a little more light inside the car here so we can see it. Door panels, nice combination. Mentioned that power seat, and that is a 6-way power seat. And I played around with this a little bit earlier, and this thing does work. So you can get comfortable all you want in this car. It's going to go down the road nice too. If you think of that small block, paired up with an automatic with overdrive trans, Ford 9-inch rear end, set up to drive. Power steering, power brakes, AC, tilt column. Headliner, great shape. Visors intact. Seat belts front and rear. Radio I've had working. Let's go ahead and fire it up. It's a smooth runner too. Every time I've started it, turn the key and it pops over. That dash is painted nice, finished off well. Let's see, I'd have to get a station in here a second, but I can show you the radio working. Good sounding stereo. Here's the gauges are working too. Oil pressure up. Between 40 and 50 battery gauge came up. Was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Fuel is around half. Nice throttle response. There is a hood release. Let me go ahead and pull that. So we're going to take a peek underneath there. And then kind of right next to that hood release right here, that's for the popper for the trunk. So electric trunk release. And listen to this door close. Very nice, and that's not swinging very hard either. Yeah, the chrome in the rear bumper also like new. Told you it sounds good. Alright, let me slip up here to the front. I'm going to have to pause this a second. It's going to take two hands with this one to the prop rod. We'll check out that engine bay, and if you wait around till the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive. Alright, so the hood prop rod on there obviously. I believe it was a Walker radiator that it had. There it is. 350 cubic inch small block. Yeah, Walker radio and shroud too. So this is a nice setup, nicely done. Looks like HEI ignition back there. Once again, power steering, power brakes, Edelbrock 4-barrel. Thing just purrs. Ready to go down the road. 1949 Ford Club Coupe, street rotted, but yet it still keeps a little of that original feel to it by looking from the exterior. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1949 Ford Club Coupe, a two-door Ford. Nice, gray interior. Bench seat with fold-down armrest. Our left turn signal is working. Very nice starting, running, and idling car. We have a stereo in the dash working. I have not tested cassette, but FM is working. Nice, smooth, yet firm shifts from the automatic transmission on this car. Fuel gauge reads a little over half of a tank. The temperature a little under half on the gauge, and the oil pressure is showing about 75 psi. The battery's charging at 14 volts, so that all looks good. Speedometer appears to be working 55 miles an hour. The wipers also function, and the blower motor works on this car. Nice aftermarket steering wheel with some wood grain. Nice looking headliner, carpet, very clean car. A clean look to it as well. Braking is smooth, no pulsation of any kind. Corners fairly flat. corners nicely and easily. Acceleration is very good. Be sure and check out all the pictures of this 49 Ford Club Coupe at uniqueclassiccars.com. By the way, cruise control also working.